Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel at Lisa J's World. This is Lisa, and today I want to do a bag of the week, what I've been carrying in that bag, and also I would like to share with you guys a new purchase that I got from a third party, which is Poshmark. And before I get into that video, I would like to first welcome all my subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel and you like to be notified when I do another video, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of more videos, you can hit the bell notification next to it. So that being said, let's get into this video. I'm excited. I've been carrying one of my bags that I showed and revealed in my last video, and I'm excited for this new bag because it's a twin bag. Alright, so the bag of the week that I've been carrying is my Florentine Medium Zip crossbody bag. I have not utilized the crossbody function. I have been wearing this bag just like this across my arms. Let me zip it up here so you can see her smile. She's in the Chestnut. I've been carrying her on the shoulder. As I said, here it's very comfortable like this. And what I've been carrying in her is normally everything I carry every day. So this is a great everyday bag. And I've been carrying my Coach wallet, my sunglasses, my tissue. I just kind of threw everything in here. I'm going to try maybe to do a to see if the organizer fits in here, the small organizer that I have. Because I do just kind of like throw everything in here and I go searching. It's like when you're wearing the small satchels, it's the same thing. So I have my mask, my dental picks, some receipts. I have my hand sanitizer, which I got from the vitamin shop. It's organic. And it smells, every time I spray it, it has a strong natural smell to it. And you know, it has lemon in it, sage. It's only a few ingredients. It's not many. Let's see. Aloe vera. It has lemon. It has cinnamon, eucalyptus, peppermint, oregano, and I got it from the vitamin shop. I don't know if you could see that. So this is what I've been using, hand sanitizer spray. Okay, I have my lotion, my eye drops. I have little bitty things in here. Little pill cases. My card case I got from Amazon. My pick. And this is pre-poop toilet spray. I'm sorry guys, but I don't use it for that. I bought it as an air freshener for when you go to the restroom in the public areas. And I just found out this is something, and I don't mean to be crass or creep anyone out. It's by Airwick. You're supposed to spray it in the commode first. Yeah, that's a thing. I didn't know. Okay, I have my keychain that I just got from my niece. She went on a trip and she brought me this keychain. It says Hope. I have to try to get it on my keychain. It was hard getting it on there. And the strap for the crossbody. Oh, in the zipper pocket, I have receipts, more receipts, my lip balm, which I really like this, by Ecos. Is it Ecos? EOS lip balm. Cute. I thought I'd never buy this. I see people using it and I'm like, I would never buy that. And one day I just felt like getting it and I like it now. I don't know, I thought it was unsanitary. I don't know why I thought that, but anyway, my lipsticks, lip balm, lip gloss, my Mented Cosmetics mirror. I really should get a little bit more organized in my bags. I really like this. It has magnifying. I have the Mented lipsticks. I really like these. I wear these quite a bit. This is I think this the Tote, and this one is the Mented No. 5, which I use this a lot more. It's kind of on the berry side. This lip balm is from CoverGirl Queen collection. I don't even know if they sell these anymore. This is brown sugar. This is the lip gloss. This is Bury Me. I normally wear this with the Mented No. 5. See how it's kind of berry? Yeah. You didn't come here for that. Okay, guys. So that is what I have. I think that's everything. Oh, no. A nail file. I must get organized because I just throw everything in this bag. I love carrying her. But this is not what the main event today. The main event is a purchase I got from Poshmark. I actually was not looking for this bag. I was looking for a Dooney Smith bag and a Dooney Florentine Smith bag. And I ran across this bag. I liked it and I kept going back to it and it would not leave me alone. I kept thinking about it and I was like, I already have this bag. What do I need another one for? And because it's a different color, I went on ahead and pulled the trigger and I'm excited that I did. I'm glad I did. Now she advertised it as new with tags. I don't think it was new with tags. I'm just gonna put that out there. The corners sometimes tell the story. Not so much here and here and here, the corners around the perimeter of the bag. It is this part that gave it away a little bit. And this is the Dooney Florentine logo lock tote. And this is another thing she said that she did mention that there was some damage to the lower, a minor flaw in the logo lock. And it does look a little worn. This also switches over to the Dooney and Burke side. What also was a giveaway was the tags that was on the bag. First, the tags were on the front of the bag, and it says navy, but it says large pocket satchel. Now we know what the large pocket satchel is. It is not the Florentine logo lock tote bag. Anyway, the bag smells new. It looks like new. I'm happy with her. I got her for a good price. She's smooth Florentine leather. Inside the bag is a zipper pocket and a slip pocket. And on the other side, there is two slip pockets. And on the front of the bag, you have this pocket, which I use a lot for my phone because it's a nice front pocket. This is a nice tote bag. I like carrying her. She is, when everything is in her, it's nice carry. It's comfortable on the arm. Very nice. So let's look at her twin sister. And she is the light tote logo lock bag. I saw this bag on a Dooney video, the Dooney Nistas video, when they did a trip to Chicago, and they were at the outlet mall, and this bag was sitting on the counter, and I said, what color is that? I searched and searched and found out this is the light taupe, and this baby went on sale on Overstock. Yeah, on Overstock. I love Dooney Overstock. However, I was able to use a coupon at the time, so that's why I got it on Overstock. But I love Dooney sells on Overstock sometimes. This is the same identical bag. The only thing that's different about these two is this Florentine is smoother and shinier. I did tell you guys this was navy, right? Yeah, very clean condition. This particular Florentine, and I've worn this quite a bit, is more matted. It's a matte finish, almost like, you know, Florentine. Yeah, this is very nice. There's no color transfer for wearing it. And I've worn this with jeans. I've worn it quite a bit. No problems wearing her. Alright guys, so that concludes my video for today. I just wanted to share my two twin bags, my Florentine logo locks, and my bag of the week. Thank you for stopping by, and have a good week. Till next time, bye.